Good morning, Americans. This is your favorite alien speaking on Friday, TGIF. Oh, yeah, and Good Friday. Well, except for one guy, anyway. I don't think he ever figured it was good for him. But be that as it may, I wanted to do a video today and call it Article 2, Section 4. And you Americans will look that up. Article 2, Section 4. That's the primary thing that's going around in politics today. So, in relation to this, I would talk to the Speaker of the House, Ms. Pelosi, and the Chairman of the House Judiciary Committee. Article 2, Section 4. Look that up, both of you. And then go to Chief Justice Roberts and Justice Ginsburg of the Supreme Court. And Chief Justice Roberts will tell you to look at Article 2, Section 4 as an 18th century looking, not 21st century, because that's the way that particular item is meant to be. And it was reinforced by the ruling of John Marshall back in 1805. So look at Mr. Marshall's 1805 comments on Article 2, Section 4. And then, may I suggest for you two to skip the Mueller report and go into the President Trump's little deal on the border, where he submitted the executive order to move funds from other places to cover the wall. Well, Congress, the president started doing this with Thomas Jefferson in 1801, and every other president since has done it up until Richard Nixon. I'll get to back that in a second. But if you went by that situation, when he purchased the Louisiana Purchase in 1803, which he only wanted the port of New Orleans, by the way. He needed 15 million, so he went and appropriated it from Congress had appropriated money for 2 ships. I believe that's what the case was. And well, he took the money and bought that. If you look at the writings by Chief Justice Marshall, that could have gone to him as high crimes and misdemeanors. Misdemeanors being the misappropriation of funds. That's the dilemma that you have here on that Article 2, Section 4. Also, Presidents Jackson, James K. Polk, Secretary of State Seward, President Roosevelt, Theodore Roosevelt, that is, would all be under Article 2, Section 4 impeached, if you read it this way, because of the different things that they did. Now, for President Trump, he also violated a congressional act, didn't he? Remember the unimpounded Act of 1974? You did it in relation to Richard Nixon and Watergate, that no other president could misappropriate funds no more, or take funds from one thing and go to the other. So this is what I'm saying, Americans, especially you, House Speaker and Judiciary Chairman in the House. Look at this. If you have any other questions, ask the alien. I'm here on YouTube. Have a good day and Easter weekend. Thanks.